Hello everyone. What kind of personality you are? Yeah, I know you know, but do you know your personality word? Do you know the particular word which is related to the personality, which is define your personality? No? So don't worry. I am going to tell you some personality words with the meaning also that is related to your personality, which is define your personality with the meaning also. So let's begin. In the queue of personality words, here the first word is amusing. Amusing. Amusing meaning is to make someone laugh and smile. To make someone laugh and smile. To entertain in a light and pleasant way someone. You can use that word amusing. And the example is he made faces to amuse her. He made faces to amuse her. Okay, so let's move on another word. And the another word, next word is unassuming. Unassuming. Someone who is unassuming is quiet and shows no wish for attention or admire. Okay, so there you can use for that personality, the word is unassuming. Unassuming. And the example is he was shy and unassuming and not at all how you expect actor to be. Okay, example is he was shy and unassuming and not at all how you expect actor to be. Okay, and the next word is witty. W-I-T-T-Y, witty. Witty word is relating to the personality who using words quickly in a clever and a funny way. There you can use witty word for that personality. Okay, they are very clever to respond anyone. Okay, so there you can use witty word. And the example is a witty commentator on the political scene. A witty commentator on the political scene. Okay, witty person you can find in your social life anywhere, and you can see in the politicians and commentators. Okay, so there you can use for that personality word is witty. Okay, and the next word is indecisive. Indecisive. You can use for that person who are not good at making decisions. There you can use indecisive. For that person you can use indecisive word. Okay, and the meaning is she is indecisive, she can't decide. She is indecisive, she can't decide. Okay, those person who are not actually good in the making decisions, there you can use indecisive personality. Okay, and the next word is resourceful. A resourceful, a person who able to deal with any kind of situation, whether situations are difficult or easy. So there you can use resourceful person. For that person you can use the word is resourceful. Resourceful. She is a very resourceful manager. She is a very resourceful CEO of my office. Okay, and the next word is clingy. C-L-I-N-G-Y. Clingy. A clingy person who have a strong emotional attachment or dependence. There you can use a clingy word for that personality. So and the example is at about 18 months my son became very clingy, became very clingy. So clingy word you can use for the emotionally attachment for one person to another person. Okay, today I covered some personality word with the meaning also. So hope you enjoyed my video. So do liking, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and be safe. Take care. We will get in touch with you in the next video very soon. So bye bye.